Hi, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I've been vegan for 10 years and a few years ago I started following a low-fat vegan diet and lost over 30 pounds. And I help other people do the same. I like to keep it simple, focusing on non-fancy, easy-to-make meals that don't require a lot of time or ingredients. Since the holidays are coming up soon, I thought I'd share some tips on how to stay on track to reach your weight loss goals despite all of the yummy holiday foods that are going to be in our faces. Tip number one, if you're going to indulge, be strategic about it. Rather than just giving in and eating the salty, oily, and sugary treats daily until the new year when you try to start all over again on your diet, I like to keep the indulging for the actual holiday, not all of the weeks leading up to them. So, Thanksgiving, have the vegan pumpkin pie with the coconut whipped cream. Or if you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or any other holiday, save the desserts for those specific days. If you're having people over at your house, give them the rest of the treats to take home with them if they want. Next, start the day off with a super healthy meal. I find that if I were to start my day with a bagel or chocolate chip muffins, I'm likely to keep snacking on junk or craving higher calorie density processed foods throughout the day. Maybe you want to try having greens for breakfast during the month of December. It sort of balances out any treats you may be having in the evenings. At least you know you've had something healthy that day and aren't going a day without eating veggies and other plant foods. Tip number three, if you have time to experiment in the kitchen, try making oil-free versions of your favorite holiday treats. Oil and nut butters are two of the most calorie-dense ingredients in many desserts. So if you're able to create healthier, low-fat vegan versions of your favorite pie or cookies, then it's definitely a better option than the higher fat treats. Tip number four, don't expect perfection from yourself. What happens is you might do a perfect job of sticking to the healthy meals for a week or so and then be really proud of yourself for that. But you might go to a holiday party and let it all go and eat tons of high fat food and drinks. And then you feel like you failed. So you just say, I've already messed up my diet, and so I may as well just keep eating this junk food until after Christmas. This perfectionism can be very detrimental to your long term health and weight loss goals. Give yourself grace, but also commit to eating as many healthy, low fat vegan, veggie filled meals during these next couple of months as you can. Tip number five. This isn't just for the holidays, but it's a helpful tip that you can keep in mind all year round. Go to bed early. This is good for your health because sleep is so important. If you don't need to be up late, then just go to bed early. You won't be doing any late night snacking when you're asleep. If you force yourself to stay up later than you need to, eventually you're going to get hungry and then end up snacking. Do you have any other helpful tips for staying on track with your healthy eating during the holidays? Share them in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.